Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Ram. In the previous video, we saw about what are the topics that we need to cover in order to clear aptitude test. Okay, so today we are going to see about group discussion. So please don't skip this video. Please watch this video completely so that you will get utmost benefit out of this video. Okay, so come on, let's get into the video. So I'm going to divide this video into three segments. That is, first we will see about what is group discussion actually means. Then we will see about what are the things that we need to prepare in order to clear group discussion. Then let's see about what are the things that we need to keep in our mind while attending group discussion. Okay, so come on, let's get into the video. Let's get into the first segment of the video. So the first segment will be what does group discussion actually means. Okay, so what is group discussion is that it is a process, it is a procedure where they will test your team competence. Okay, so how you will work in a team. Okay, after joining your company, you will be working with a team members where you will try to say your opinions, and as well as you will try to adhere to others opinion as well. So they are testing this opinion, as well as it is also a platform where they can filter some candidates. Okay, so this is the main purpose of group discussion. So what will happen in a group discussion is that those who cleared aptitude test will be grouped into 9 to 8 members. So these members will be sitting in a group, and the HR person will give a topic to discuss upon. Okay, so we have to discuss upon that topic. Before starting the discussion, they will give the topic and they will give a preparation time of around 2 minutes. Okay, so you have to prepare your topics within that 2 minutes. Okay, this is the concept behind group discussion. After discussion, they will say the results out. Okay, so this is what group discussion all about. So what is the purpose of it? The purpose of it is to check whether you are capable of working with a team. Okay, team of members. Okay, so this is the main purpose of group discussion. Then let's see about what are the things that we need to do in order to prepare for a group discussion. Okay, so I would suggest you to follow the newspaper for at least a month in order to prepare for a group discussion. So why I'm saying this is because the topics they are going to give in a group discussion will be very diverse and vast. Okay, they will give only topics that are in current situation. Okay, in a trending manner. Okay, so try to update yourself with the trending things that happens in and around the world. So the best thing to do to update yourself with the trending events is that try to follow the newspaper. This will help you to get more points in a group discussion. So the second thing I would suggest you to prepare for group discussion is try to make as many mock group discussion as possible with your friends. Okay, sit with your friends and take a topic and discuss upon that. This will help you to make as many mistakes as possible in the mock group discussion itself, and you can improve them in your future important group discussions. Okay, so try to make as many mock group discussion as possible. Okay, the first thing will be try to follow newspaper. The second thing will be try to do as many mock group discussion as possible with your friends itself. Okay, these are the two things that you need to do in order to prepare for a group discussion. Come on, let's move into the third segment of the video. So the third segment will be what are the things that we need to keep in our mind in order to clear group discussion. Okay, so the first thing I would suggest you to do is that try to give a proper introduction and a conclusion while saying your opinion. Okay, so what I mean by that is don't try to blindly say your points or opinions about the topic in an open manner. Try to introduce yourself. Okay, first let's for example just say hi, hello everyone, I am Ram and my opinion about this topic is this. So try to phrase your sentence in this manner. So this will help you to grow interaction between the members of the group, as well as try to wish the people in your group. Okay, so try to wish like good morning everyone, or hi everyone, hello everyone, whatever it may be. Just keep it simple, and also your introduction should also be very simple. That is, you just say your name, I am Ram and my opinion about this topic is, or my point about this topic is this. Okay, so try to phrase your sentence in this manner, and also conclude your opinion or your point by saying thank you for listening, and the forum is open for your points as well. Try to use phrases like this. Okay, so use proper introduction as well as conclusion as well. This will help you to build interaction within the members of the group. Okay, this is the main reason why they are keeping a group discussion, in order to check your competence while working with a group of members. Okay, So the second thing that you need to keep in your mind is that this platform is just a discussion, not a debate. Okay, so please try to keep this platform as a discussion, not a debate. So if you want to oppose someone's point, or if you are having another opinion opposing someone's point, just to try to mention it in a polite way. Okay, just give due respect to their point. Okay, so you can say that yes, I duly respect your point, and you can add that. So my opinion differs from you. Can you please convince me, or can you please elaborate on that point? So you can use phrases like this in order to oppose someone's point in a polite manner. Okay, so don't try to oppose others' point in a blind manner. Try to oppose their point in a polite manner. Okay, so this is what the second suggestion will be. Don't try to make this platform as a debate. Okay, so the third thing I would suggest you to keep in mind while attending a group discussion is that don't try to plug others opportunities. Okay, so usually the span of a group discussion will be around 15 minutes. Okay, so there will be 8 to 10 members in a group. Okay, so if you calculate, there will be around 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes for a candidate to say their opinion or their point about the topic. Okay, if you are going to drag your point for around 3 minutes or 4 minutes, you are taking others point or others opinion as well, others opportunities. Okay, please don't try to do that. Okay, please keep your point short and sweet within 1.5 minutes. Okay, even if you have extra points to say, please keep those points. You can say those points while the forum is silent. Okay, there will be some moments where the others will not say any points or their opinions. So when the forum is silent, you can say those points. Okay, don't try to push your points beyond the limit. Okay, try to keep it short and sweet and within that time limit, that is 1.5 minutes. Okay, so try to do that. Then the fourth suggestion that I will give while attending a group discussion is, please try to make your points as less biased as you can. Okay, what do I mean by that is, please take an example like artificial intelligence. So if your topic is artificial intelligence, don't try to make your points only on positive side or only on negative side. Please try to keep your points in a balanced way. Give some points in positive as well as give some points in negative, and come to a conclusion with a less biased manner. Okay, so this is my opinion and this is my suggestion. Okay, for you. Okay, so don't try to make your points in a biased way. Okay, this is the fourth suggestion I would give you. So the fifth suggestion would be, try to bring as many perspectives as you can into the discussion. Okay, so don't try to bring negatives and positive sides of a particular topic. Try to bring perspectives. Okay, what do I mean by that is, try to bring economic perspective, try to bring an historic perspective, try to bring social perspective regarding any given topic. Okay, so this will help you to bring more topics, as well as your topics will be shine out of the crowd. Okay, so most of the people, what they will do is that they will divide the given topic into positives and negatives of that topic. They will not bring many perspectives. Okay, the fifth suggestion I would give you that, please bring as many perspectives as you can, that is economic, social and historic perspective. You can add as many perspectives as you can. You can think on that particular topic. Okay, so please try to do that. Then the last suggestion would be, try to make as many eye contacts as you can. Okay, try to make eye contacts while you are giving your opinion, while you are conveying your points, and as well as try to make eye contacts with those who are speaking as well. Okay, if someone is conveying their opinion or their points, try to listen to them, try to make eye contacts with them, try to note for their points, try to use your body language as such you are listening to them. Okay, please listen to listen to others points. Why I'm trying to say this is because this will help you to generate points as well. Okay, if you are out of points, you are absolutely blank about that particular topic, you can take points from others as well. Okay, if someone is saying some point and you are thinking about that particular point, and you can get some other point relating to that point as well. Okay, so you can generate few other points from others points as well. Okay, so please try to listen to others points. Okay, so this is the last and the final session that I would give you while attending a group discussion. Okay, so try to remember all these 6 things that you can do while attending a group discussion. So the upcoming video will be on how to prepare your interview, okay, whether it's an HR interview or a technical interview. So I'm going to make video on that. So please subscribe my channel for the future content. I hope this video is informative. If this video is informative, please share to your friends so that they will also get benefit from this. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.